Wise is a financial app that has become quite popular. But before you commit, there are 12 key things you need to know to determine if it's the right choice for you. While it's a strong option in the mobile finance world, especially when compared to competitors, there are certain aspects that could make or break your decision. Let's dive right in. First, Wise is known for offering low conversion fees on international money transfers. Many competitors, like PayPal or Western Union, charge hidden fees or inflated exchange rates, but Wise is upfront about their fees. However, while it's transparent, it's important to note that fees can still add up depending on the amount you're sending. The bigger the transfer, the more noticeable the savings can be, but it's something to be mindful of. Next thing, Wise allows you to hold and convert multiple currencies at once. This is a great feature for travelers or anyone who deals with international payments. But compared to something like Revolut, Wise doesn't offer as many features beyond the basic ones. For instance, Revolut offers additional options like stock trading and crypto support, which Wise lacks. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one finance app, this may not be it. The third thing to consider is Wise's borderless account, which allows you to get local bank details in multiple countries. This is fantastic if you're living abroad or doing business internationally, but if you're someone who doesn't travel much, this feature won't offer you much additional value. While Wise is great for international transactions, it lacks some of the more domestic-focused tools offered by competitors like Monzo or Chime, which focus on US accounts and domestic features. Now let's talk about customer support. While Wise offers 24/7 support through chat and email, it can sometimes be hard to get immediate responses. Some users report long wait times, which might frustrate you if you need urgent assistance. This is where a competitor like Revolut does a bit better by offering more immediate customer service options for premium users. The fifth thing is security. Wise is regulated by financial authorities in various countries, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. This gives it a solid layer of credibility. However, in terms of fraud protection, it might not be as robust as other banking apps like Monzo, which provide immediate card locking and advanced alerts for suspicious activity. Sixth thing to know, Wise is not a full-service banking app. It doesn't offer loans, credit cards, or traditional savings accounts. It's a great choice for transferring money across borders and holding multiple currencies. But if you need all-in-one banking, this might not be the app you want. In this sense, apps like Revolut or N26 might be better, offering both financial services and more comprehensive banking options. Seventh, Wise has a very simple interface, which is great for those who don't want to deal with unnecessary complexity. While simplicity is an advantage for new users, it can feel limiting for those who are used to apps that offer more customization or features. If you're used to banking apps with more options, like Revolut, Wise's design might feel a bit too basic. Now, the eighth thing to consider is Wise's fees for sending money in certain currencies. While it's cheap for some transfers, others can cost more. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, but the real cost depends on which currency you're sending. For example, sending money to certain countries might have higher fees, especially when compared to services like PayPal, which could offer better rates for specific regions. The ninth thing is the mobile app's stability. Wise's app is generally reliable, but some users have experienced occasional bugs or crashes. If you're transferring a large amount of money, you want a stable platform, so it's something to keep in mind before you commit to the app for your major financial transactions. 10th, Wise doesn't charge monthly fees or require a minimum balance, making it a more cost-effective option than some competitors. For example, traditional banks like Chase or Bank of America can charge hefty monthly fees unless you meet certain account requirements. This makes Wise a standout option for those who want a no-hassle approach to managing their finances. 11th thing to know is the integration with other apps. Wise syncs well with accounting software like Xero, which is ideal for freelancers and businesses. However, if you need more integrations with other financial services, like budgeting tools